How y'all doing today? So you want to learn to make some cedar walking sticks. This is what this is going to do right here. I'm going to show you how to make it from start to finish, except for going out in the woods. Make you a cedar walking stick. Missouri country boy. Let's see if we can't show you how to do what I do here. A little something to pass your time away. First thing you want to do is go out there and get you a stick. Out of the woods, cedar, pine, oak, whatever your choice of wood may be at the time. I don't try to cut no live branches. I try to pick it up off the ground. All the wood I do get, I try to. If I see a dead limb, I may cut the dead limb, but nothing green. And when I get back, this right here is about what I have to work with. A stick like this right here. And first thing I do is I take a 3-in-1 tool, which is in the house. And I cut off, or get you some clippers, or just get you something where you can cut all these off even. Or if you want to leave a little bit to make the knot there, you can. But after you get them there cut off, your stick's going to look something like this right here. So it's going to look like nothing on it. And then your little branches. At this point here, I take a hand plane. You can take a sander. You can take whatever you'd like to use. Hand plane, I do it because it's more by hand. I enjoy it more. More work. But just take your little hand plane, and I just lean up against my body and I just start going to it. I do this here for a while until I get it to the consistency of the grain of the wood that I like. Yours may be just get the bark off there and be good with it. Yours may want to consist of getting it down to a real good finish, but here's what I come up with. One like this right here, which this one ain't completely done. And then I'll just take and I just keep planing it until I get it nice and smooth all the way around. And then once I get it good and smooth, and as you can see, you can cut your sticks different lengths. You can cut them up to your waist to walk with this way. You can cut them taller to have an actual real walking stick. It's whatever your pleasure, you know, whatever you want to do. And then get you some stain, and you want to stain it.